Cikakken bidiyon adadin ƙuri'un da kowace jam'iyya ta samu tare kuma da bayyana wanda ya lashe zaben. Kamar yadda kuke gani, wakilan kowace jam'iyya ce suke sa hannu ga adadin ƙuri'un.
Action Alliance. ADC. ADP. APC. APGA. APGA. APM. Allied People's Movement. APP. Boot Party. BP. LP, the Labour Party. NNPP, New Nigeria People's Party. NRM, National Rescue Movement. PDP, People's Redemption Party. PDP, People's Democratic Party. Then PRP, People's Redemption Party. SDP, Social Democratic Party. YPP, Young Progressive Party. And the Zenith Labour Party, the ZLP. Okay, thank you very much. Please resume your seat. I now perform my responsibility as the returning officer for the presidential election. I, Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, hereby certify that I am the returning officer for the 2023 presidential election held on the 25th of February 2023. The election was contested. The candidates received the following votes. Imumolen Irene Christopher of A Party, 61,014. Al-Mustafa Hamza of the AA Party, 14,542. Shawore Omoyele Stephen of the AAC, 14,608 votes. Sani Yabagi Yusuf of the ADP, 43,924. Kachuku Dumebi of the ADC, 81,919. Tinubu Bola Ahmed of the APC, 8,794,726. Umiadi Peter Nana Chukudi of Abga, 61,966. Oje Princess Chichi of the APM, 25,961. Nadi Charles Ostita of APP, 12,839. Adenuga Sunday Oluwafemi of the Boot Party BP, 16,156. Obi Peter Gregory of the LP, 6,101,533. Musa Mohammed Rabiu Kwankwaso of the NNPP, 1,496,687. Osakwe Felix Johnson of the NRM, 24,869. Abubakar Atiku of the PDP, 6,984,520. Abiola Latifu Kolaole of the PRP, 72,144. Adebayo Adewole Ebenezer of the Social Democratic Party, 80,267. Ado Ibrahim Abdul Malik of the YPP, 60,600. Iwanyao Daniel Daberechuku of the ZLP, 77,665. That Tinubu Bola Ahmed of the APC, having satisfied the requirements of the law, is hereby declared the winner and is returned elected. Thank you. So all that remains for us is to thank you and to thank Nigerians. But there is another responsibility we are required to discharge by law: the issuance of the certificate of return. We have another election in under 2 weeks, the governorship and state assembly elections. We have therefore taken the decision that the certificate of return to the president-elect and the vice president-elect will take place here at 3 p.m. today. Elect, the commission will issue a statement tomorrow on when the presentation of their own certificates of return will be made. I thank you all and good night.